Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. My desire is to help you transform your space from house to home. Okay, fam, I am in full autumn swing, and I am cleaning my house from top to bottom, as I do from season to season, as well as refresh. So today I'm taking you along as we get this bathroom whipped into shape and give it a nice autumn refresh. We will begin, as I always do, by removing everything that does not belong, as well as moving items so that I can thoroughly clean each surface. I am now running hot water in my tub, as I will do in the sink, and begin cleaning. I'll add my cleaning solutions and then begin scrubbing. So let's get to it. Now that everything has been removed and sprayed down, it is time to clean. You guys, I am a Clorox girl, and here I am using my Clorox cleanup as well as the Clorox wipes. This way I don't have to keep cleaning cloths or rags around the house. Once I'm finished using this Clorox wipe, I can just dispose of it and continue on. So here I am, you guys, wiping down every surface from top to bottom. And you guys, many have asked, what cleaning solution that do I use for my windows or mirrors? And you guys, I don't use any. I take a warm terry cloth, wet terry cloth, and wipe on, and then I take a dry terry cloth and towel and wipe off. Just simple as that, you guys. This is the tried and true way that I have done it for years. Now, as a kid growing up, my mom would have us use vinegar and water, but this works for me. Moving on to the tub, you guys, I am saturating, spraying it down with the Clorox cleanup and coming in with the Clorox wipes. Everything gets a thorough wipe down and disinfectant. My grandmother would always say, cleanliness is next to godliness. Although I found out years later it's not actually scriptural, but it's definitely a staple belief in my home. I just believe that a beautiful, clean home just carries a spirit of peace and calmness in it. So for me, cleaning is a top priority. Toilet complete, we're moving on to the tub. Now you guys, the tool that I use to clean my tub is a Scotch Bright cleaning wand. It is actually a kitchen utensil, but it works wonders in the bathrooms, especially if you have the vinyl or the fiberglass tub surround such as I have. It is amazing. It gets into the crevices and clean all textures without scratching the surface. So it is definitely a staple in my cleaning arsenal. As you can see here, your girl is getting down and dirty with this cleaning wand. As you guys know, the mop or broom indicates we are at the finish line of cleaning. And now for the fun part. Without any further ado, my autumn refresh reveal. Here, a simple swap of window treatments was all I needed to jump off my theme for this season. This vibrant teal became the color of choice for the fall season in my space. To go along with this color, I needed something equally as vibrant and rich to complement it. Upon shopping, I came across this beautiful, vibrant pomegranate color, and I knew it would be the perfect combination for this space. You guys, I absolutely love the transition in this space. Not many changes were made, but a big impact was definitely given. These beautiful pomegranate peonies just set the tone for vibrant fall feel, and I love them so much. I picked them up, you guys, from the at-home store at the 75% off summer sale. Got these beautiful rugs from Walmart. They complemented my look. All of my staple pieces, you guys, my bathroom accessories are from Burlington. The beautiful bold color towels are from Walmart, and I used a bracelet to cuff my look to give it a unique design. I absolutely love the end result. Both prints are from Burlington, and I love the variation of blues in that it gives me the liberty to style with different shades of blue throughout the year. Look at that rich color. This guest bathroom is definitely styled for our guest of honor. If you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my TMB family. I would love to interact with you on other social media sites. I can be found active on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next transition, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day.